Hello everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we are diving deep into the highly anticipated Apple iPhone 17 Pro, expected to launch in September 2025. Apple has always pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation, and this time, they are set to introduce groundbreaking upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to feature a redesigned aluminum and glass rear panel, offering a sleek and modern look. The camera bump is slightly larger than its predecessor, likely to accommodate advanced sensors. For the display, Apple is finally bringing promotion technology with a 120Hz refresh rate to all models, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness. The screen size remains at 6.3 inches with Super Retina XDR OLED technology, delivering exceptional brightness, vibrant colors, and deeper blacks for an immersive experience. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to be powered by the new A19 Pro chipset, built on a 2nm process. This next-generation processor is designed for higher efficiency and increased speed, making multitasking and gaming smoother than ever. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, the device will offer seamless performance, allowing users to run multiple apps without any lag. Storage options range from 128 GB to a massive 1 TB, ensuring plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 17 Pro is its camera system. The rear setup consists of a triple 48MP camera array, featuring a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. With 5x optical zoom, users can capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. Apple is also expected to introduce new computational photography features, enhancing low-light performance and portrait mode. The front camera is upgraded to a 2.4MP sensor, delivering sharper selfies and improved video call quality. Additionally, both the front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 60 fps, making the iPhone 17 Pro a powerhouse for content creators. Battery life has always been a major concern for smartphone users, and Apple is addressing this with a 3,274 mAh battery. Thanks to improved energy efficiency from the A19 Pro chip and software optimizations in iOS, the device promises longer usage on a single charge. Fast charging is supported, allowing the battery to reach 50% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging and MagSafe capabilities continue to be part of the package, making it convenient for users who prefer a cable-free experience. When it comes to connectivity, the iPhone 17 Pro is future-ready. It supports 5G for blazing fast internet speeds, Wi-Fi 7 for improved network stability, Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless device pairing, and NFC for contactless payments via Apple Pay. Apple is also expected to enhance the device's durability, with an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, making it even more rugged than previous models. Pricing for the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to be around $1,099 globally. In Pakistan, the price is rumored to be approximately Rs. 514,999. Pre-orders are likely to begin shortly after the official announcement, with the device hitting stores in late September 2025. With all these upgrades, the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced smartphones ever made. Whether you are looking for a powerful camera, top-tier performance, or a premium design, this device is set to deliver on all fronts. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.